Get AI insights on your design in seconds. See what users notice. Improve before you go live. Introducing Visual Usability Checker by Attention Insight. Visual hierarchy. Instantly see what grabs attention first. Understand what stands out, what competes for attention, and whether your design has a clear visual hierarchy. Cognitive load. See how mentally demanding your design feels. Identify friction, reduce complexity, and make your design easier to process. Iterative testing. Check attention on key elements in seconds. Make a change, test again, compare versions, and quickly find what performs best. Get AI recommendations across every step. Know what's working, what's not, and what to improve next. Design smarter. Test before you launch. Make decisions with confidence. Try Visual Usability Checker in Figma.